iPhone 11 Pro. Battery replacement. Your battery health percentage is less than 79. Or it says service, then it's time to replace battery. In this case, it's 74% and it's very low. First, remove the display. Remove battery and display connection. Remove connector guards to remove battery. Note that there is 2 battery connectors. Be careful not to damage any of these. Battery to connectors removed. Carefully remove battery as shown. Remove the connector to program for the new battery. This connector contains the battery chip. This chip contains the serial number which matches with the phone. Remove the battery insulation sticker. Moving original connector to the new battery. Connection is done. Let's prepare new battery programming. This is a battery programming tube. Let's program new battery for the phone. If the battery is not programmed, the health will not show in the battery settings. Next, restart the phone. Let's restart. Battery health 100%. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon.